Hello there, Pierre Rupe here. Welcome back to another video. I'm so glad that you're here, and I want to thank you for subscribing. I want to thank you for sticking around when I'm not posting anything. And remember, if you have any requests, if there's a video out there, a diagnostic video that you want me to make, don't hesitate. Just put it in the comment and I will try to make that video for you. So today we're going to be talking about this noise that I hear in the truck, especially on cold start. So I have the key right now and it has remote start. I'm going to remote start it. And I have cameras set up. I have a microphone that I think will pick up the sound so that you can hear it while I remote start the vehicle. You can hear it on cold startup. And I'm also going to try to drive it because I hear the noise as well under light acceleration, light load. So we're going to remote start this guy and we'll see what the camera mic picks up when I remote start it. It's a clunking noise, so we're going to try to separate this noise from engine noise. Maybe it's something else that's doing it, that's rattling around, but I hope it's not an engine issue, and I don't think it is. So let's go ahead and diagnose this together. Okay, if I go under the hood and I try to accelerate it, there's nothing that suggests that this is coming from the engine. And even the exhaust manifolds here, so when you go try to see if there's anything that could rattle, no, everything is really solid. And I go to the other side, still the same thing. Exhaust manifolds here, it's a little more difficult to see this one, but the exhaust manifold looks really good and everything looks that they're in good condition under the hood except for all the dust. So there's nothing that tells me here that the engine is the problem. I'm going to try to accelerate it and you'll hear for yourself. Nothing to me suggests here that I have an engine problem, a knocking or a clunking. Nothing suggests this. So I'm gonna go downstream to see. It's not in the exhaust manifolds, but this doesn't mean it's not in the exhaust pipes themselves. Maybe I have a shield somewhere that's doing this. So I'm gonna go deeper on this. We're gonna go under the vehicle, see what we can hear. It is really dark outside and this is me under the vehicle. I'm gonna try to do another acceleration to see if I can hear it over here because I can't hear it in the engine bay. So let's go see. Let me change the mic around. Sounds more like a rattle. It's not consistent with the engine rev. If it was consistent with the acceleration and go even louder with acceleration or being consistent when the engine is revving higher, then I would say that that's an engine problem. It sounds more like a rattle, and that rattle is somewhere in the exhaust, and we're gonna find it. Okay, right now I am under the truck and I started looking for some stuff. And I found this exhaust clamp right here and started shaking it. I'll show you. And I hear this. So we can tell, yeah, this exhaust clamp is not really well in its position. And I can shake and I can hear the noise. So I think this is where this is coming from. On those Suburbans, I have this exhaust clamp here, and when I did my transmission I remember that I had to remove this entire thing, so it looks like it got loose over time. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it if it would go further and then go from there. I think this is the problem right here. This sounded at the end more like a rattle than the knocking or clunking. So it was right here in the exhaust pipe. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this helped out somebody out there. And if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe for more. I got better videos coming out. Thanks for watching. Bye.
is you, baby.